Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I will share with you my experience of me being on Nexplanon for 3 years, and also I will compare Jadelle to Nexplanon. So if you're interested, keep watching. Well, first of all, I want to tell you guys that my first birth control implant was Nexplanon, and I rock it for 3 years, and it only lasts for 3 years. So after you have to take it out. I was recommended to install that implant by my doctor, who was with me during my second pregnancy. And after I gave birth to my second child, I started take protection very serious, not for granted like I did before. You know, before I would listen to women, they were saying, Swaggy, like, you're safe, you're completely safe, you're breastfeeding mommy, you would not get pregnant. So that's how I got pregnant. I was breastfeeding. After 1 year, I figured out that I was pregnant with my second child, and it was unplanned pregnancy. And if it would be up to me, I would take my time and I would wait 5 years, at least 5 years. But I got pregnant, and so far I'm glad it happened so fast. So, you know, having 2 kids is better than you would have 1 kid, they never bored, they have each other, and yeah, it worked out great. So back to implants. You can rock the Nexplanon for 3 years, but if you experience side effects, you can remove it without waiting 3 years to pass. But my experience was good, so I removed it after 3 years. I rocked it till the end. And my second birth implant was Jadelle. I installed it 3 days ago. You can see my scar is fresh, and you also can see the hole. It's curing, guys, don't worry about me. And a little bluish spot around. I've seen women got worse than that, so my doctor did pretty good job. He was gentle, and I have done it in Kingston with Dr. Roger A. Rainford. Very good doctor, I recommend you guys. And I've seen comments, people were telling me that they could pay less than what I paid. I paid 36,000 Jamaican, but I would rather pay more for comfort and stuff, that I would go to a public hospital and get it done there. But my first Nexplanon, I've done it in a public hospital in Vietnam. Yeah, that's how I really need it, guys. I even went to a public hospital for it here. But that time, I've decided to take it easy and went to a really comfortable place. Yeah, and get it done. So I've received with my injection the little document. I call it a passport. And here you can find a date of installation, date of removal, and where it was installed. The doctor marked my left arm because he installed it in my left arm here, in the same spot where my previous Nexplanon was, because I've heard sometimes they can get missing in your body, but it mostly happens to overweight women, and it's really rare, but it happened before. So don't be scared about that also, because X-ray can see those implants. They are visible. I was thinking about it too when I first time when I installed mine, my Nexplanon, so I would feel it every other day just to make sure it wouldn't disappear in my body. Yeah, and me like a big idiot, I would feel it every other day just to make sure it's there. So like I told you guys, those products are similar, Jadelle and Nexplanon, so they have similar side effects. They work the same. So let's see what side effects Jadelle got. Okay, Jadelle is a implant, a form of a female hormone used to prevent pregnancy and are a long term, up to 5 years. Yeah, Nexplanon 3 years. And the brand Jadelle is not available in the US, but it is available in the Caribbean. US, they got Nexplanon, the one for 3 years. And common side effects are: first, irregular menstrual bleeding, heavy bleeding, extremely light bleeding, spotting, shortened cycles. Well, when I first installed my Nexplanon, I had no period at all for 4 months, and after everything got back to normal. So sometimes that happens too. Premenstrual syndrome, period pain, yes, I would have it here, and before implants I would not have this premenstrual pain. I would not experience that, but since I got my implant, I would feel a little pain, and that pain was more like a signal for me that my rainy days were on the way. So here, next, dizziness. Well, I haven't experienced dizziness with Janelle, but when I've just installed my Nexplanon, I was feeling really dizzy for 2 days, and I was even ready to remove it. I told my husband to take me back to the doctor so doctor could remove it, but then my husband said to me to take a little time, and I gave it 2 days more, and my dizziness disappeared. But I also connect my dizziness to me being a breastfeeding woman, because that time I was breastfeeding, and now I'm not breastfeeding, so I don't have dizziness. Headache, I can't connect my headache to me having implants, no. Breast pain, no. Pelvic pain, no. But like I told you guys, I would have pain before my period. Weight gain, I've heard about it. I've heard some women, they gained weight on Nexplanon, and some women, they lost their weight on Nexplanon. So we are different and our bodies react different, so I can't say nothing about it. But me personally, I didn't experience weight gain, and I also didn't lose weight. So I don't know nothing about it. Like diseases, virginities, no, nothing at all. So also, by the way guys, you have to tell your doctor if you are breastfeeding. If you are a breastfeeding woman, you have to discuss it with your doctor, because it's not really recommended for use during breastfeeding, but you can use it. Well, also even my doctor, my first doctor, he recommended to me to install Nexplanon after 2 months after I gave birth to my second child, not straight after. Yeah, and also those implants, they are not recommended for use during pregnancy. Well, that is obvious here. And I think that's it. And I want to remind you guys one more time that women, we are different, and our bodies, they react different. So if probably what I've never experienced, you would experience that. Yeah, and I've seen on YouTube a lot of videos about women. They were complaining about implants. They had to remove it before time. Yeah, and also, if you have side effects, do not take your time. Do not take your time. Go to your doctor and talk about side effects if you have them. Yeah. And also, for me, it's the best way of protection. It's the most convenient way to protect yourself from getting pregnant. Yeah. So if you've experienced something before, if you've experienced those implants, drop a comment. Or if you use something, what do you use? What are you happy with? So drop in the comment section. And I hope this information was useful enough. Thank you guys for watching me. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you next time. Bye.